Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets with two ways. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. The first way, so in order to create a drop-down list, we select a cell, then right-click and select drop-down. As you can see, the edit menu of the drop-down list has opened on the right. Here we can write our own options. Let's say it will be numbers 1 and 2. You can also choose a color for each option. 1 will be blue and 2 will be red. Now each number will be completely highlighted in its own color. If you need to add another option, click on the Add Another Item button and add the object. And as in the previous cases, we write the name, it will be number 3 and choose the color. Then click Done. Now you have created a drop-down list in which you can select the various items. The second way, you can also make a list from a ready-made range of data. To do this, right-click on any cell, go to the List Editing menu. Here in the criteria, select the drop-down from the range. Next, we need to specify the range of data that the list will consist of. Click on the Select Data Range button and select the data range and click OK. And as you can see, we have all the elements from the range, which, as in the first method, can also be set in different colors. Click Done and we have a drop-down list from the range that you can work with. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.